Changes in Weimar society. For many Germans, the years 1924 to 29 saw an improvement in their standard of living. How? Wages. German workers benefited from an improvement in real wages. Real wages increased by 10% by 1928, which meant Germany had some of the best paid workers in Europe. But many middle-class Germans did not share this prosperity. Many middle-class Germans had been bankrupted by hyperinflation, so increases in real wages were of little benefit. While unemployment fell generally, it remained high in the professions like lawyers, civil servants and teachers. In April 1928, almost 184 middle-class workers were seeking employment, and half of them did not qualify for unemployment relief. Housing. Weimar governments during this period attempted to deal with a housing shortage. Architects and planners were employed to try and deal with the housing shortage. Government investment, tax breaks and land grants, and low-interest loans were used to stimulate the building of new houses and apartments. Unemployment insurance. Ill people, old people, and people that had accidents were covered by help schemes in Germany already. The Weimar Republic tried to extend this with unemployment insurance law in 1927, which required employers and employees to make contributions to a national scheme for unemployment welfare. War veterans also received benefits, as did wives and dependents of the war dead. Single mothers and disabled also received help. Women and politics. Women over 20 were given the vote by the Weimar Republic and became increasingly involved in politics. By comparison, only women aged over 30 and over could vote in Great Britain. The Weimar Constitution also introduced equal education, equal pay, and equal opportunities. By the end of this period, German women had some of the most advanced legal rights of any country in Europe. Furthermore, by 1926, there were 32 women deputies or MPs in the Reichstag, which was higher than Britain or America. Women in employment. The proportion of women who took up work outside the home remained much the same during the Weimar Republic. There was a growing number of women employed in the civil service, teaching or social work. Moreover, women who worked for the civil service earned the same as men. By 1933, there were 100,000 women teachers and 3,000 doctors. After World War I, many of the better paid manual jobs were done by men, and married women were often criticised for working and neglecting their homes. Women also enjoyed much more freedom socially than had been the case before in the Weimar Republic. They went out unescorted, drank and smoked in public, were fashion conscious, often while wearing relatively short skirts, and had their hair cut short and wore makeup.